Today, we're doing something a little different and a lot of fun. We're going on a rampage of appreciation. This idea comes from Abraham Hicks, and it's exactly what it sounds like. Instead of a slow, quiet gratitude practice, we're going to build momentum. We're going to stack appreciation on top of appreciation, point after point, until that feeling of genuine thankfulness becomes almost overwhelming in the best possible way. Because here's the truth. When you're in a full state of appreciation, you are magnetic. You are literally vibrating at a frequency that draws more good things toward you. And the fastest way to get there isn't to think about gratitude, it's to feel it deeply in your body, which is exactly what today's tapping session is designed to do. Before we begin, let me quickly walk you through how EFT works. EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques. It combines focused awareness with tapping on specific acupressure points on the body, points connected to your body's meridian system. When you bring your attention to a feeling while tapping, your nervous system begins to settle into that state, and it becomes more accessible, more automatic over time. Today, we're not releasing something negative, we're amplifying something powerful. We're using tapping to anchor a deep, full body feeling of appreciation so it becomes your new normal. Let's go through the tapping points so you can follow along. We start at the karate chop point on the side of the hand. Then we move through the sequence, the inside of the eyebrow, side of the eye, eye, under the nose, the chin, the collarbone, under the arm, and the top of the head. Once we reach the top of the head, that completes one round, and then we begin again at the eyebrow point. You can tap on either side of the body. You can use one hand or two. I prefer to use two, and you can tap with 2 or 3 fingers, whatever feels most natural and comfortable for you. Now take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it. Exhale. Close your eyes for a moment and just think about your life. Not the problems, not the to-do list, just what's actually here. The fact that you woke up today, the fact that you're breathing, the fact that you found this video and chose to do something good for yourself. There's already something here to appreciate. On a scale from 1 to 10, how much genuine appreciation are you feeling right now in your body? Just notice. Now take one more slow breath in, hold it, exhale. Now begin tapping on the karate chop point and repeat after me. Even though I don't always take time to appreciate my life, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I've been moving too fast to notice all the good that's already here, I choose to slow down and feel grateful right now. Even though appreciation doesn't always come automatically, I'm choosing to go on a rampage of it today. And I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I choose to feel a lot of I choose to feel a lot of gratitude right now. A rampage of appreciation. Because if I'm not appreciating what I have, I'm depreciating it. And everything in my life deserves to be appreciated. So I'm starting right here with myself. I appreciate myself. I love and appreciate my body. It works for me every single day in ways I don't even think about. My heart beats without me asking. My lungs breathe without effort. My body carries me through every moment, and I am grateful for that. I love and appreciate my body. I love and appreciate the people in my life, the ones who show up for me, the ones who make me laugh, the ones who challenge me to grow. They give me so much, and I choose to feel that fully right now. I am grateful for the people in my life. I love and appreciate them. I love and appreciate where I live, the roof over my head, the bed I slept in last night, the water that comes out of the tap, things I walk past without noticing, that millions of people wish they had. I am so grateful for where I live. I love and appreciate my home. I love and appreciate this planet, the beauty that exists everywhere. The sunsets, the air, the water, the opportunities available to me right now. The fact that I live in a time of unlimited possibility. I get to do things I love on this earth. I am so grateful to be here. I love and appreciate this life, and I appreciate this moment right now because this is the only moment where I can act, where I can feel, where I can choose. And in this moment, I am choosing appreciation. I am choosing to feel good. I am choosing to be grateful. The more I appreciate, the more I attract to appreciate. This is a good equation. Gratitude multiplies. Appreciation expands. and I am wide open to more. More joy, more love, more abundance, more of everything good. I am on a rampage of appreciation, and it feels incredible in my body, in my mind, and in my spirit. I am grateful. I am appreciating my life, and my life is reflecting that back to me. Now take a breath in, hold it, exhale. Close your eyes and check back in. Where is that number now? That feeling of genuine appreciation. Has it moved? For most people, something has shifted. There's a little more lightness, a little more warmth. That's what happens when you build momentum in the right direction. Here's your invitation. Keep going after this video ends. Think about 5 more specific things you appreciate, your favorite song, a meal you love, a memory that makes you smile. Do it like that little girl in the mirror who just loves everything about her life without apology or hesitation. That energy is available to you right now, and the more you stack it, the stronger it gets. Before you move on, drink some water. This kind of inner work shifts your emotional state and your nervous system, and hydration helps your body lock in those changes. Thank you for being here and doing this with me. Now go appreciate something and watch what starts showing up in your life. I'll see you in the next video.